What's up, guys? I'm back with Sunshine Fill 3, and today I'm going to be giving you a life hack that can actually help you achieve absolutely any goal that you might have. Okay, so it's known as the 2 minute rule, wherein you spend 2 minutes every single day just working on some goal that you have, and you realize that continuing to work on it becomes a lot easier. So what happens very often is that a lot of us are very lazy and we're all master procrastinators. So though we are like highly ambitious and have a lot of things that we want to work on, it just never happens because we keep putting it off to this glorious day called tomorrow. Like how I did with my working out. I absolutely detest any form of physical exercise, right? And I've piled on tons of weight as a result of my, love for food. And every morning I wake up, it's a constant monkey on my back where I'm like, okay, today I'm going to work out, or today I'm going to go on a diet, today I'm going to eat healthy, but it never really happens. And that's when I stumbled upon the 2 minute rule. And what I've been doing is I've been taking 2 minutes every day to just wear my shoes, wear my track pants, just get out of the house. And you know what? Like, it just makes me go ahead and work out like for a good 1 hour, and I feel so good at the end of it. So it's just the starting bit that's a real problem. The activity in itself can be really, really enjoyable. So this is true with most of the things that we want to accomplish. For example, a lot of people want to start blogs, but they just never get down to doing it because they don't know what to write about, or they don't have time, or they just don't think they have any valuable inputs, or like anything valuable to write about. So just pick up any random topic, spend 2 minutes writing, and I'm sure you'll have so much more to write. Okay, similarly with reading a book, just pick up any book, read for 2 minutes, I'm sure you'll continue reading. So I'm not going to go into more examples because I'm sure you get the gist. This rule, like I said, can be applied to absolutely any goal. Okay, so go ahead and take the 2 minutes off from your day and try practicing it for continuously for a few days until you don't need to rely on the 2 minute rule, and I'm sure it's going to work wonders. Let me know. I'm very, very excited to know your response, and if you need any support in the journey, do get in touch with me, and I'll be very, very happy to help you out. Whether it's moral support or any other form of support, you can ping me on WhatsApp and Facebook, or call me if you have my number. Okay, so good luck with achieving your goal. Have a very, very productive week ahead, and I'll see you next week then. Okay, bye bye.